Hi, friends. Kip and Christina Steinbrook here, Superstar Directors for the Fresh Sense of Smell Air, Scentsy Fragrance. We are opening our official Scentsy whiff box. This is Scentsy's mystery box. They do this every single month, and it's a surprise what's inside, and it's really awesome, and you can get them from my website if you want them. But this is January's. I wanted to open it with you guys and Kip Steinbrook so that you guys can see what's inside. If you don't want to see what's inside, scroll really fast and get out of this video because this is a spoiler big time, especially if you have not gotten your box yet. So let's open it. This is for January. Every single month they're different. So if you like what's in this one and you don't mind spoilers, go get it on my website. It is usually, so these boxes are $30 and they usually contain like $34 to $38 in product. And also they come with samples and all kinds of stuff. So they are an amazing deal. So check it out and let me know what you think. So this is, there's always like a little poster and it's always different. This says 19 on it, which I assume means 2019. And then all kinds of information on the back. So it tells you how to use the single-use wax cups that come in these, which is really cool. I don't think I remember seeing that before. It's probably on all of them, and I didn't notice. But it's pretty cool. And then it's like if you want to do this on a monthly basis and you don't have to think about it, we have Scentsy Club, which is a subscription service, so you can actually subscribe to the box. Cool. So it's actually a 12-month calendar as the poster this time. This is really, really cute, Scentsy. I love all the like imagery in it. It's really, really, really cute. So, it's a calendar. Is the little poster this time. Last 2 times it was like wrapping paper. So you could like, so this entire side was printed and you could use it to wrap presents, which is really cool. Yeah, really cool.
Really cool.
Ooh. Okay, just kidding. You can just like not hide behind it. Maybe like
that?
We can try to make this work. Should I move over a little? There we go. Okay, here's the box. This out. Okay, let's put it down. No, stop!
Tissue paper.
No, don't show them what's in it yet.
All right.
Okay, all right. So there is a strawberry champagne truffle bar. Have you smelled the? Yeah, you have smelled this. This is what we warmed this one in Cancun.
Yeah. It's
really good. It's like, I'm not usually a strawberry scent fan, but for being a strawberry scent, it is fantastic. So, strawberry champagne truffle. Ooh. My customer Bree would like this one. It's got a 100-acre wood bar in it. What?
Oh, yeah.
This one's so good. This is the Winnie the Pooh one, and it's 100-acre woods. 100-acre wood. It's really good. It's perfect for like nurseries and laundry.
Actually, even like our bedroom would be good.
It would be good. Yeah, it's a nice,
it's very
calming. It's like lavendery and cottony smelling, and I think there's chamomile in it, and it's a super, super relaxing fragrance. So there's that. There's a Blue Grotto hand cream, which we blow through hand cream, so it's always nice to have some more of this. Blue Grotto is an awesome scent. I have not yet tried Blue Grotto in body stuff yet.
Yeah.
Have you?
No, I haven't tried
not. I'm gonna open it.
100-acre wood.
I've not tried it in body stuff. It's good. Blue Grotto, if you guys don't know what it smells like, if you've ever seen the Capri Blue volcano candles, this is meant to be a dupe of that fragrance. It's even good. Like a play on the name, because Capri Blue is the brand that sells the volcano candles, and Capri is in Italy, and in Capri is where the Blue Grotto is. Something like that.
The OG Blue Grotto.
So the name is a play on that, so that you can kind of know that's the dupe. So one of our best-selling fragrances, BT Dubs, Blue Grotto. This is a bath bomb. Eliza's going to be really excited about a bath bomb. This is Amazon Rain. She loves bath bombs. She's always asking. The other day, I gave her a bath, and she goes, okay, now get a bath bomb. Oh, okay. So I had to go digging, and I used my last Jammy Time bath bomb on her.
Now.
Ooh, this is my favorite scent in body. This is pineapple coconut vanilla. I remember smelling this in wax, and I was like, ew! And then I got it in a body product, and I was like, this is the best. And I think that that's true for a lot of our stuff is in context. Like, context matters for some of our fragrance. Like, sometimes you might like it in wax, but you don't like it in body, or you don't like it in wax, but you love it in body. So even if it's a scent you're not used to, like, liking, try it in a different product. And even if it smells exactly the same, sometimes it just makes sense, like, if it's in something else. So this is pineapple coconut vanilla, and this is my favorite body product, or body scent right now. You can show them the samples. I've never seen one of these before. This is really cool.
This sample?
You can show them all of them. Ooh, we're smelling that in the next video. Okay,
so this box also comes with samples, and some of them are, as far as wax goes, red cedar and sage.
That's one of our favorites.
Scent sample. And the poppy fields.
Which we're not going to open and smell because I have my warmer of the month box too. We're going to open that, and so we'll let you know what we think about that.
We'll give that a first sniff there.
And there's another sample.
And clothesline washer whiffs. And I go through washer whiffs like crazy.
Yes.
Because they're necessary.
So I didn't know. I've never seen these before. This is the first time in my life I've ever seen Scentsy send or have a washer whiffs sample. So this is really cool.
That was strange. It looked like a hot chocolate packet.
Yes.
At first.
So I've had the Scent Soft and laundry liquid samples before, but I've never seen one of these. So this is really, really cool.
Clothesline.
Scentsy, let us buy these. Thank you. All right, guys. So that was January's. Again, that's $30. And this time it came with what? What is 8 plus 6? 14 plus 6.5 is 20.5 plus $9 for the hand cream and $9 for the thing. So
29.5 and then
20.5 plus 18 is like $38.
Yeah.
That's a huge box for only $30, $38 in product.
You get almost $10 more.
Yeah. And it comes with 2 samples that are 2 cubes of wax. So it's like half a bar, which is a $3 value if you really consider it that way. And then the washer whiff samples. So it's a really, really good deal. So if you would like to try some of our products that you've not tried before, it's a really great way to do that.
And you get some good shiz out of that.
Shiz?
Oh, shizzle.
So again, $30 every month they do these. You can subscribe to it if you want them monthly. You can subscribe if you want them every other month, every third month, or you can just buy them straight from my website whenever you want to. But if you subscribe to them, you actually get discounted awesome shipping. It's the cheapest way to get anything is to subscribe to it. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, let me know. Bye.